Good afternoon, traders. It's 11:33 right now, and I am short Monsanto. Short 900 shares. My average price is 48.52. I was shorting. I had a level at 48.62. I'm thinking about covering 300 right here. Those shares. I'm sorry. I'm going to cover 300 right now. Alright, so now I'm still short 600 shares. And I'm not sure if you guys can see everything on my charts correctly. I'm going to try to figure this out real quick. Okay, they're getting a little buying going on. If I see 52, 53 printing, I'm going to cover some more. I don't want to give back anything. Right here, see it printing. Alright, I just covered. So I was up $85 and I covered for a $21 profit. See, you gotta stay on top of this. It's pretty much the bottom line, but I'm looking to get reshort this. This is some institutional buying right here. So if we come up to this 48.62 level and we bounce off once again, let me zoom in and show you. If we come in and bounce off, I'm going to look to get reshort for a move back down to retest these lows and approach the 48 level. But if we come up and we get above this 48.62 and bounce, I'm going to look for a move back up to yesterday's close at 48.75, and then eventually the highs of the day, because I have 49.26 as a level. Let's see what happens here. I potentially could have took this as a quick bounce. It's 48.60, but I'll just wait. I'm waiting on. I think I'm going to buy down here some. I wish I could get some more prints around the 50 level, but we saw as soon as they got over the 50, we saw the big fund come in and buy it. Look at that volume spike. Okay, we're back down by 51. Alright, I bought 300 shares. Average price is 48.51. Now it really needs to hold above 45. I will buy into this little dip down to 45. And this is a quick trade right here. It's a momentum trade. Let me go ahead and put my time and sales up here a little bit. And this time and sales is all the regular prints, and this is all the big prints. I have it filtered so it just shows me all the big lots. Alright, so we had some people buying around the 50 level. Nothing big though, so seeing they might bring it down a little bit. We had a big buyer around the 45 level, 44 level. We had about 7,200 shares print around there, but a lot of activity was around this 50 level. And then you had some sellers come in here around the 57 level. Those are the people that got long in here. So 1 minute chart right here. Wow, when you see a move like this, you know it's institutional volume. Because look, these are called little pigeon candles, I call them, and they're very small, and those are not the big guys. This is the big guy right here, the guy that makes the big move down, and then the little guys follow trying to catch a move off the big guy. Now the big guy just made an up move, made a higher low, like I said, so I'm looking for a long right here. don't want to take up too much recording time showing you this one position, but I'll do more than one video if I have to. Alright, if I see 53, 54 print, I'll probably get long another 300. Alright, long another 300. Average is at 52. I'm long 600 right now. See if we get some volume in here buying this market up. Okay, here we go. There we go, there we go. That's what we're talking about right there, and I'm selling into this move. Sold all of it. Just made 50 bucks on this move. Now, like I said, the next move I'm looking for is for us to hold up over this 62, this main level I have, to start taking out higher resistance levels. So look to maybe pull back and then presume up to 48.75, and then eventually, like I said, the highs of the day up here. So now you have the institution. The reason I got long was they were coming down and the bears were trying to sell it down to the lows. Then the institution stepped in, and you see this huge candle right here. This isn't a pigeon candle, this is institutional candle. Look how big this candle is. They brought this thing right back up, so I knew I needed to be looking for a long. They stopped it, they made a higher low, so I knew that, you know, they're gonna buy this thing up. That's why I got long right there. You just gotta spot these small things in the charts, because the little things like this are what make a difference in your profit loss. Alright, so I see a move back up to 65, 66. My bias right now is to the long side if we hold above 62. And I would love to get a move back down to that level, that 60 level, so I can buy some more. Look at this move. See, I should have held my long. Alright. I just shorted 300 at 72 to approach at the 75 level. 75 with some resistance. Only looking for about maybe a move back down to 62, maybe about 10 cents I'll take. Now if I see 77 starts printing, then that's of course my stop loss. 75 is printing. Here we go, come down. We see 70s printing. Oh, this can't be good. This is just a crazy move. This is institutions right here. Look at this other big up move. Huge. Alright, here they go. Now they're printing 78s. I had to get out. So in that, back down to $54 now. I should have been out. See, that's where discipline comes in play. Learn off my mistakes. I should have been out when it printed 77, no doubt. But I was stingy, and that's why I lost a little more. Alright, now I'm short 600 shares. Most likely I should have been shorted into this 80 move. They are going to pull this back a little bit. This was a way too extreme move, and they're definitely going to pull it down to at least the 68 level. And I'm short from 74. I might even get short another 300 shares to make it a full 900. Okay, I shorted another 300. Now my average is 74. Now my stop is at 81. It's a mental stop. Let's put in a doji right here. It could either be a doji buy or a doji sell. I'm going to pause this right now so it doesn't take up much more time. Let's see what happens here. Little dark cloud formation forming. Some lower prints. Still trying to get a move back down to the 68 level. Now, if we, worst case scenario, I don't think it's going to happen, but if we did break above this 82 and there was an 83 print on the time and sales, I would have to cover regardless. So that's where the stop will be. Else that's just careless trading. That's not smart. Cut your losers short so then you could always trade again. You got to give yourself a little slack, but not too much. Okay, here we go. Dark cloud formation followed through with a hammer. A bearish hammer forming. And our move to 68 is looking more realistic as we are speaking. I don't have a lot of video time left. This position's taking a lot longer than I expected. Alright, here we go. Now we're approaching 70s. We really need to break these 70s to get going into the mid 60s. That would be great. And I'll start covering then. I'm not going to cover now. I believe that we're definitely going to break these. You see a little minor institutional volume coming in here along with, like I said, the bearish hammer. Alright, here we go. We broke the 70s. Alright, buyers trying to step back in. But they're not being able to get it back above the 70. The bears have control for now. As soon as we come down a little lower, like I said, 68, I'm going to have to cover 300 to reduce risk. Now I'm still short 600. I'd like to get a move. Here we go. Covered the rest of it right there. I made a decent profit on that trade. So now I'm up 129 for the day in 20 minutes time frame. Just note that. I'm sorry this video took so long on one trade, guys, but I just want to get you something in there today. Alright, I took another long. I'm down a little bit on it. I'm short from 48.81, 900 shares. I'm long. I don't have a lot of tape left, so I'm going to show you how it turns out. My stop will be 48.74, and I'm looking for it to go up to this 48.90 level. Alright, guys, it's already, the buyers came in. They're running it up. Okay, here we go. Now we're up here at 89s, and I'm looking to start selling into this move. So I sold 300. See if we get a little move higher. I sold another 300. I have 300 left, guys. If we hit back on 83s on level 2, I'm going to get rid of it. But I really want to get to our target, which is 90. Okay, here we go. We're up at 90. I sold it, and I made a decent profit off that. So I finished up 144 in 30 minutes of trading. And look at it go all the way up at 95. Sometimes you need to just hold on a little more. You see, it's all about risk management. Quick short from 49.01. and I'm covering right here. Alright guys, 200 bucks, 30 minutes trading. Watch this video, learn from it. And as you can see, it kept going down all the way to 89. I should have held it. I'd had 230 profit, but that's alright.